Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to clear the browser data in Chrome app on Android. So whenever you browse on your Chrome app, a lot of data is saved in terms of the cache, cookies and the browser history. So in order to clear that, you can tap on this three dot options and go to clear browsing data options, and here you have this window where you can choose to clear for the last 15 minutes. Now if you tap on this more option, it will give you a detailed page where you can configure what all data to be saved and what all data to be deleted. Now if you want to clear all the data, all the browsing data, you can choose browsing history, cookie sites, cache images and files checkboxes, and from the time range you can also choose all time, and which will display what all amount of the data will be deleted. And once it is selected, you can choose to tap on this clear data command and choose clear command, which will delete the data. So once you deleted the data, for initially all your pages will be loading slow, and also any website that was logged in on your Chrome app will be automatically signed out. So if I go back to clear browsing data and choose more options, you can see there is no browsing data. The cookie is also reduced and the cache image size is less than 1 MB. So it means our browsing data has been cleared. So in this way you can clear the data from your Chrome app on your Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.